In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code with OpenRouter's free models. Now for this tutorial, you don't need a high-end PC or a powerful laptop. You can even run Claude Code on something like a Raspberry Pi 5 using OpenRouter. Now for this tutorial, we will be installing Claude Code on Ubuntu. It's time to install Claude Code. This is an AI coding assistant that can write, understand, and fix code for you. You can install Claude Code based on your operating system. Now simply head over to this URL. On Linux and macOS, it's just a simple phone line command. On Windows, you will need to run the relevant command in PowerShell. I will copy this command, then open your terminal and run the command to set up curl. Then go ahead and paste the copied command to install Claude Code. Once the installation is complete, run the next command to add Claude to your system's environment variables. Then you can verify the installation by running the version command. As you can see, it displays the version number, which means Claude Code has been successfully installed. You can run Claude directly to use Anthropic models like Opus if you have an account for big projects. But for now, we will stick with OpenRouter's free tier program. It's time to set up Claude Code with OpenRouter. Navigate to this link, then click Sign Up and log in with your account. Once you're done, we need to add the OpenRouter API key to your system's environment variables. Depending on the shell you're using, Z shell or bash RC, you will need to add a few lines to your shell configuration file. Now simply copy these lines, then open your terminal and navigate to your home directory. On Ubuntu, this is usually a hidden bash RC file. Next, open your home folder in VS Code. Locate your bash RC or Z shell RC and paste the copied lines at the bottom of the file. Next, we need to add the OpenRouter API key. To get that, go back to OpenRouter website, then click on your username, then choose Workspaces, and then go to API keys, then create a brand new API key and copy it. Now return to VS Code and paste the API key into your configuration. Then save the file. Once the API key is set, we need to choose a model for intelligence. Then inside OpenRouter, go to Model section and search for free to see the available free tier models. From my testing, models like GPT-OSS works very well. Now for this tutorial, I will use this model. If you notice that this model is commonly used with tools like OpenClaw and Claude Code, then copy the model name, then go back to VS Code, then create an Anthropic model environment variable, then paste the model name inside double quotes and save the file. Now restart your terminal and reload your shell configuration using the source command. Next, I will create a workspace folder and navigate into it. If I run Claude and press enter, you can see it's using the GPT-OSS model. Now let's test it with a simple prompt. And as you can see, the response is super fast. Even though it's a large model, we are running it for free. Now let me ask it to fetch my system specifications. And as you can see, it writes the command and returns all the details. Now let's try something more advanced, creating a simple to-do list application. It completes the task in about 50 seconds, which is incredibly fast. And as you can see, the website looks great. Now one thing to keep in mind, you can experiment with different free models. But it didn't work. If you see messages like attempting, it usually means the model is very busy due to high demand. If that happens with multiple models, you can set a fallback value in the model variable. Now this allows OpenRouter to automatically select an available free model for you. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. And that's how you can run Claude Code using OpenRouter's free tier program. Now keep in mind it has limitations. It's meant to complement your workflow, but not fully replace a paid solution. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.